Okay, so first off, we have Rapunzel and Maximus in the scene of Rapunzel. And basically, what we have here is the light source in the top left corner and the shadows in the bottom right. So, because of that, the shadows and light highlights remain in the exact same place the entire time. Since the light is from the sun, the colors are basically at their true color, so there's no really any changes there. Next is the Prince of Egypt in the Angel of Death scene, and the light source is the spirit itself. So as it moves, we see it, the light and highlights move across the buildings. So in this scene of the buildings, we watch as the shadows change and kind of move, and it kind of makes a beam of shadow, sort of, the way the light hits the objects. So in this scene, there's a lot of movement of the light source and therefore a lot of movement in the shadows as well. So as we see in the next scene, the light source is going to shift and so will the shadows, and they kind of grow and then shrink back to how they were. Yeah. In this next scene, we have the Pharaoh, and the light source is coming from above in the top left. So we see that the shadows are in the bottom right again, as in the first clips, and it's a very intense light. So the shadows are more intense, and so are the highlights.
You and your people have my permission to go. Leave me!
Now we're dealing with color, and since the light source is magenta, the purple outfit that the villain is wearing doesn't really change color as much. It's more noticeable on Tiana since she's green. Anything white that the villain was wearing has turned a more purple color. Since there's some green light as well, those are part of the more intense highlights too. Though it's only in flashes, the white light from the lightning turns things back to their natural color, because white light is a combination of all colors of light and reflects all of them.
As soon as I whip up another spell, we'll be back in business. I still got that frog and prince locked away. I just need a little more time. No, please, no. Just a little more time. I promise I'll pay y'all back. I promise.
Now in these scenes of Aladdin, Aladdin's coat is purple, so the light reflecting off it appears brown, same with his hat, since the light itself is more of an orange color. Since the light source behind Aladdin appears more blue, his coat looks also more blue on that side, and the shadows appear blue as well, same with this old guy and his beard, which is white.
Come on, Abu.
Now as they enter, the light source is blue and on the right side of the room, so the shadows are towards the left side of the room. Aladdin's coat appears to be more blue than purple. Abu appears to have more blue tint, Aladdin's pants look blue instead of white, and he himself looks more blue.
This is it? This is what we came all the way down here to... Abu! No!
Infidel!